In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you need to reach your phone dialer and go to keypad done. And let me start with the first code that I would like to share with you today, and it will redirect us to HTC function test, and the code for it is *##, and then 3424, then ###. And as you can see here, we are in function test, so you can smoothly accept or cancel the instructions. So let me click on accept, and here you can click on auto test or test results. So let me click on auto test, and now you can check it if it passed or not. Okay, so I don't have a SIM card inserted, so this is why. And now we can check the display by tapping on the screen. And you can see all the colors and check if they are working properly. And it definitely passed. So you can go back now, you can go through the all tests if you want to, but I will just skip it for now, as I would like to share with you some more codes. And now we can open testing mode performed by Google, so it's a bit different. To enter it, just click *##, *4636, #*, and #*. And here we've got Google testing mode, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. So just click on phone information to check the first area. And as you can see here, you can check current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. And it also allows you to perform a ping test. So just click on run ping test, and here it is. So as you can see here, you've got all the phone info. So let me go back. Then under user statistics, you can check details regarding your apps and their usage. And then in Wi-Fi information, you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. In Wi-Fi status, you will also find a ping test option. So smoothly click on run ping test to perform this operation. Obviously, to check the Wi-Fi info, just refresh statistics. So this is it. Let me go back. And now another code that I would like to show you is FCM diagnostic mode. To enter it, just press *##, *426, ***. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. And if you click on more icon, you'll be able to see more advanced details. So here you've got them. And then simply go back to close this panel. Another code that you can use here is calendar info. So just enter *##, *225, #*. And here you've got all information that you have in your Google Calendar, iPhone Calendar, whichever account is connected with this device. So then you will be able to see all upcoming events, you will not forget about them, so it's super useful. I truly recommend using it. And the last code that I would like to show you today, a very useful one, also the shortest, will show you the phone information, the IMEI number, for example, and it's *#06#. And here you've got, and right under IMEI numbers, you've got serial number as well. So this is it. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.